Hello. This afternoon we're out here at a customer's house and we're going to show you how quick and easy it is to install the Mercury Flushport Quick Connects by Flushmaster on these L6 350 Verados. Simply unscrew the OEM Flushport connector from the cowling, remove it from the flush line, simply attach the Flushport Quick Connect, reinstall, cam into position, onto the next one. Remove the OEM flush plug from the retainer, remove from the flush line, remove the OEM flush plug, reinstall the Flushport Quick Connect by Flushmaster, and reinstall, and cam into position. That literally took just a few seconds to do the install on these twin Mercury Verados. If you need more information about our Flushport Quick Connects, just visit our website at seamule.com.